Hi everyone, this is Zilla, and in today's video, let's unbox the Honor 10 and take a first look at this beast in beauty's clothing. The handset comes in a white box with reflective blue writing to tease the color of your device. Looking inside, you're presented with the phone front and center, a clear TPU case, SIM ejection tool, Huawei's SuperCharger, a USB-C charging and data cable, and of course in the retail version you will have the usual books and leaflets which are missing from my unit. Now silence as I undress the Honor 10. Peeling off the protective stickers unveils how stunning this phone is in person. Just look at that gorgeous reflective back panel, which on my unit is called Phantom Blue. The front is a standard black slab that most manufacturers tend to migrate towards in this day and age. Sandwiched between these glass panels is an aluminium frame in a matte blue color, the top of which has something that is becoming very, very rare. Yes, it's an IR blaster. Next to that is a microphone, and on the right side we have the volume rocker and power button. Moving to the bottom, we have a single speaker, no secondary speaker in the earpiece for the Honor 10. Next to that is the microphone, a USB-C charging port, and yes, a 3.5mm headphone jack. Finally, on the left hand side we have the dual SIM card tray, no micro SD card expansion here. On the back of the Honor 10 we have the dual camera lenses, one being a 16 megapixel color shooter and the other a 24 megapixel monochrome lens. And next to this small molehill is the flash, and making it obvious we have the words AI camera emblazoned in the top right corner to shout out loudly that the Honor 10 packs some of the same camera technology as the P20 Pro. Looking at the front of the Honor 10, we have a bright and colorful 5.84 inch screen which is full HD plus with a 433 pixel density, a 60 Hz refresh rate, all wrapped up in a 19:9 aspect ratio. Why not in 18:9, I hear you ask? Because that extra point stops the notch distracting from your full screen viewing, as unlike the iPhone 10, it does not cut into the viewable area of the video you are watching. And yes, at the top we have a notch. Time to start embracing it, people. And in this case, in the notch, we have an earpiece, LED notification light, and an amazingly massive 24 megapixel selfie camera. Now that I wasn't expecting. Face unlock is also present, and boy oh boy is it fast or what. The phone runs on Huawei's Kirin 970 chipset with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of built-in storage, well, at least on my handset. With Android Oreo 8.1 and EMUI 8.1, we also have a 3400 mAh battery built into the Honor 10, meaning great performance all day long. And if you do find yourself stuck up a gum tree without a paddle, you also have Huawei SuperCharge technology built in for rapidly refueling that cell. Taking a look at the screen, it is Full HD plus but not OLED. However, despite this, it is vibrant, colorful and bright. Since we are talking about the screen, let's bring up the notch. To be completely honest, it really doesn't bother me, and being smaller than the iPhone 10's notch, you have more room for notifications to be displayed. But if you really don't like the notch, Honor have included a clever feature allowing you to hide that notch by adding black bars either side of it. The Honor 10 is packed with features such as being able to eliminate the on-screen buttons and controlling everything from the fingerprint sensor to the usual motion and knuckle gestures. Moving on, let's talk about the dual lenses on the back. The AI-powered dual camera is a real beast, which has the ability to capture great shots in numerous situations thanks to the plethora of options available, such as Pro Mode, Slow-Mo, Night Shot and Portrait, just to mention some of the more popular modes available. This, coupled with the fact 4K recording is here along with Full HD Plus in 18:9 aspect ratio and 1080p at 60 frames per second, makes this an extremely good overall package, with only stabilization missing, unfortunately. What is truly amazing, however, is the selfie camera. 24 glorious megapixels at your fingertips, with the usual portrait mode we have all gotten accustomed to and expect on flagship devices. So bravo for giving us this in a device which is rumoured to cost around £350. Great for selfie shots, but then only 720p for video? All that means is I'm going to be doing a thorough test of these cameras, but that's for another video. So far, colour me impressed. The Honor 10 looks great and feels fantastic in hand, and I have no doubt it will be a hit, particularly with those on a strict budget. Stay tuned for many more videos from me about the Honor 10, which will be coming real soon. And thank you for watching. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button and notification bell icon. Thumbs up if you like the video, and share it on your social media to help me out and help me grow the channel. Until next time, this is Zilla saying stay safe, take care, and peace.